the only view. Whoa! That's a good tree. I really love trees. I think that makes me a dendrophile, right? That's the name of a person who loves trees. Not like that, no. And I like trees, and we're gonna go see some big trees.
Don't leave me behind! And that's what happens when you forget to lock the doors. You ready?
Let's go! Ow, whoa! Okay, this snow's getting really soft. We can't get to the Mariposa Grove right now because of weather, so we're hiking Merced Grove and hoping that we get some big sequoias in before we have to leave tomorrow. How many times have you fallen in the snow?
Twice.
Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna go with.
It's getting a little soft, huh? Oh, and I just fell in the snow. What's taking so long?
Smooth.
It's crazy because just like an hour ago we were over at Hetch Hetchy and it was sunny and beautiful and everyone was just pulling layers off, and now we are walking on a trail covered in snow onto ourselves and occasionally post-rolling right through. It's nuts. Springtime in the Sierras.
Do not go off trail, you lose your shoe.
Yes.
I can contest to that.
Stick to the pack. Oh, yeah. My leg went all the way in. Help!
I have to come back through this?
Help me!
How about I just take the GoPro?
Okay, that'll work too.
Backpack's stuck too.
I'm gonna try that way.
Hey, that's the way I went.
Yeah, this might have been a smarter route. Woo! Man, you never know when it's gonna get deep. What do you see?
Sorry, the trees are... Holy crap.
Giant sequoias are the largest living things on our planet. Some of these trees are over 3,000 years old. It's unbelievable to think of the things that they've seen.
Touch it, it feels like a crazy texture. What do you think of these trees?
I found the babies. Little tiny guys. Crazy to get something so small from something so big.
Buddy, is that a big tree?
I think it's the biggest tree. I know we keep saying that. This is as big as my truck, I think.
I think it's a little bigger.
Oh my goodness. You cannot see the top. It's the same width the entire way. I think I found Katie's happy place, and this is it. She loves this so much. I'm so happy that we came down here. Anybody that's watching, if you enjoy or love trees, this is something that you should absolutely come and check out. They are amazing and beautiful and wonderful. You can't put it into words. You just have to come see it for yourself.
Saying goodbye to the big trees.
I don't wanna. They are freaking awesome.
Yeah, they are. Hey, back up in snow is not as easy as the way down in snow. That's for sure.
How are your thighs?
Oh, my thighs, my calves, and my glutes. Whew, burning.
Oh yeah. To shed a few layers. It's definitely a leg burner kind of hike out.
Especially in snow.
Yeah, the snow is beautiful. It's definitely what kept everybody else away and why we had the entire place to ourselves. But yeah, it's a workout on the way up. I won't be worried about cracking a beer tonight. Lower.
How do you run into a breeze this time? Experience is the best teacher. Pulling in the snow, but we are on our way back to the trailhead, and it was so cool to get to see the sequoias because the sequoias are the reason we have national parks. In 1864, President Lincoln signed the Mariposa Grove into protection, and that was the first protected piece of land in the United States, federally protected. No one can develop it, no one can log it, and that was the start of it all. That's why we have national parks. That's why we have places like this to enjoy.
We hope you enjoyed the giant sequoias as much as we did. If you want to know more about these amazing trees, check out our blog post. The link is in the description box below.